see here, we have a little bit of bare wire there. And so we're going to use some of this liquid electrical tape from GB. And I'm going to go ahead and fix that. And obviously, we need to make a fix here because to run a new wire right there, we can't really do that today. But we still need to fix it. We just can't leave it like that. So I have the power off, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that tape on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. And probably put our coat on. Sorry if you couldn't see that first time I did it. But this liquid electrical tape works pretty good for like a fix here. I'm going to put another coat on there. Just before I seal it up. And I think this is a lot better of an option than trying to wrap tape around that. Mainly because when you go to wrap tape around something like that, it's very easy to make things worse when your insulation's a little bit old and brittle there. But this liquid electrical tape can get you out of a pinch when you need it. Especially when you can't run a new line or pull this whole apart right now in the situation that we're in here. So, and hopefully you can see that and how well it worked out for me.